Say good morning. Good morning. Uh-oh.
So I had this in the fridge for about, must have been like an hour. And I just pulled it out of the fridge and I thought I'd take a little rest. Actually, this feels nice and good. It feels so cool. It's not like freezing. It doesn't like steam your face or your skin because it's cold. It's just like a nice clean chillness. So if you see one of these in the Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick one up. It's really soothing. And kind of look like cat food. Okay friends, we're going to attempt to go for a bicycle ride.
I hate this.
We're going to attempt to go for a bicycle ride.
But we cannot go on foot.
I'm going to give it a go. Bike's too tall. It's a beautiful night tonight. We're biking. People out walking their dogs. It's about 6:30. Nice and it's kind of cool and chill. And my son Thomas playing basketball over there. One. Oh. Okay friends, so I had a nice evening tonight and I'm gonna go ahead and end it by taking my grandbaby out for a nice little evening stroll. It's really nice outside, it's not cold, it's not warm, it's like just right. So I had a nice time going out for a bicycle ride over a men's bike. My sons got themselves a bike and my husband was in the mood for going on a bike ride and I almost didn't go because I thought I wouldn't be able to ride one of the bikes for being too tall. But I managed, so he said he'd get me a bike tomorrow, so let's see how that goes. Alright friends, so I'm enjoying my time. My dad's here visiting, staying with me. He'll be leaving tomorrow morning. And I'm enjoying my time with my son and his wife and my grandbaby, my other two sons, my husband. These type of things are a blessing, you know? You have a roof over your head, you have family that love you, family that you love, you have some food on the table, and you have you're breathing. What more can you ask for? You know, times do get tough when we get stressed out financially or whatever it be, but always remember that you have your health, you have family, you have friends, you have a roof over your head. Okay friends, I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to end it here. I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye. Good night.